Alright guys, so this is it. This is the emergency light kit. I got it off Amazon. I paid like $12.99 for this kit. I'm not even joking you. And it's funny because I ordered this like last week and it just came in a couple days ago. I went back online to see the price because I'm like, man, I thought I paid like 12 something. I did wind up finding that screenshot for the video, but the price of this now is like $30. So I don't know if it was on sale or what, but for $12.99, I mean, look how cool this is. It's way better quality than I was expecting, I'm gonna be honest. But, you know, not knowing, I was like, you know, it's 12 bucks, so who cares? But I'm pretty excited about this, installing this today, actually. So, I think it'll be great, you know, a great addition for the mobile van, for our mobile mechanic van. And I mean, for 12 bucks, you can't beat it. And no, this isn't a sponsored video. They're not sponsoring this video. This is just a product that I found on Amazon that was ridiculously cheap. And then when I got it, I was expecting to see something a lot more cheaper than what I got. So obviously I'm impressed. So we're gonna go install this today. So let's get started. My boy right here. This is Gage. Say hi, buddy. Alright, scoot up. You go up there. So, obviously, I want to make sure this works before I install this. And I should be able to just plug it in here. We can do it like that. There's like 8 different modes up over here. So just to give you guys an idea of what I'm doing so far, I'm going to mount 2 of them on the rear, 1 on each side. So I marked off my spots and drilled the hole for the wire. I'm probably gonna make that hole a lot bigger, obviously. I still have to do this side. But basically I just took some tape, marked off my area. I measured from the top here to make sure both sides are even. And I'm just drilling a hole big enough for the connector, which is somewhere around here, right here. So I'll waddle the hole out big enough for this connector to fit through. And then run the wires, probably grab it through this vent here, and try to snake the wires down all the way to the floor, and then to the, like, behind the center console in front of the van, and probably had the module tucked away back there somewhere, and run out of wires. But we are almost there. Just trying to waddle this hole out big enough for this connector. So once we get this guy in, we'll be good. Alright, I think that one's gonna do it right there. Oh yeah, that's us. Perfect. Now I'm trying to fish that wire down. So I'm trying to find it Okay, so I think I got the perfect thing to grab this. Perfect tool. This guy. Got one of these guys. Wow. So watch this. This in there. And we got him. We pull him through. Voila. That is perfect. So this is kind of the only thing that kind of sucks with this kit. They give you these little tiny Phillips screws and nuts to install these, which might work for the front, but it ain't gonna work for what I'm trying to do back here. So I'm gonna need sheet metal screws. I have two, but I might want to save that for the control module under the seat. I think I have sheet metal screws though, so I'm gonna go look around. Actually, where's this right here? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go look around in my shed. I'm pretty sure I got sheet metal screws around here, so because I'm just gonna sheet metal screw that light right there, and then this side's done. I'm gonna do the same thing over there. So I actually wound up finding these really nice black Phillips screws that I had laying around, so this is mounted on there, and it looks good, I think. So this is what the rear looks like mounted up. So I think it came out pretty good, honestly. Pretty happy with it, and they're super bright. Like I can't wait till it gets dark and see how bright these things are. But I know they're gonna be bright because it's daylight, never bright. And I think these screws worked out pretty good too, and they match. So pretty happy with the way this is going. I think the hard part's done now. We'll go mount the front grille, and then I just gotta run a bunch of wiring, and then we are done. Alright, so I got the fronts mounted on the grill there, and all I did was screwed it directly into the grill, and then I ran the wiring behind here past the headlight, and then behind the air filter, or under the air filter box, behind the wash fluid reservoir. And you can't see it, I don't think, with the camera, but way down deep in there was a grommet that I pulled out, and then I ran the wire through here. So the wire is running down into the floorboard here. So now all I have to do is get all my wiring ran up probably behind the center console up here, so it can plug into the control module, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try to film what I can, but I'm losing daylight, so I'm gonna try to hurry up because I'd rather get this done so I can just show you what the finished product looks like. But here we go. Wanted to show y'all this too. Oh, hang on, let me see if I can get you in there. There you go. So I put a slit in the grommet, and I was able to run the wires through the grommet back through the firewall. So it's a clean install. All right, just a little progress update, guys. I'm gonna have to add wire to this because the wire's just not long enough to reach all the way from the back of the van to, where I want to mount the module. And I still may play around with it a little bit more, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to run and go get some wiring and add to it. But which is cool because I mean it was only 12 bucks for this thing, so it doesn't matter. But I'm thinking about mounting the strobe module right here, and then plugging the wires in all right there. Everything else is ran. I'll show you how I did the back. Let's see, so the back, this is coming through from the outside, and I just ran it through the sides, and this side's actually done already. but I'll show you. It runs down this little trim piece here and under here and then back over, and then it's gonna run behind and under the seat and into the module. So I think that's gonna be my plan of attack here. So good chances. It's getting dark, so I'm probably gonna go get wiring and finish wrapping this up, and then I'll start filming again tomorrow and let you see what the finished product looks like. Alright guys, so it's the next day and this is the finished product. So this is how I wound up running the switch. I ran the wires from, you know, underneath through the firewall through that grommet under the center console trim and then back up, and I got plugged into the cigarette lighter there for power, and then I got the wire wrapped in this wire loom, and it's pretty clean honestly. See if I lock this shit. So the wires are all hidden through the trim here for the backlights. Watch out, pup. And, switch them on. I'll show you what they look like during the day. So that's what they look like during the day. They're pretty bright. I actually got to use them earlier today on a job, and they worked out really good. So, but anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm sorry if it's short. I don't remember how long it took me to install this. Maybe 2-3 hours. Honestly, I really wasn't counting. I mean, like I said, this isn't a sponsored product. Like I bought this with my own money, but I'm very happy with it. 12 bucks, and I spent an extra $6 on extra wiring, because I had to extend the wire. So I spent an extra $6 on wiring, so like 20 bucks, guys, and I got these really cool emergency lights, and they really do help me when I'm working on side the road and stuff. So I mean, you know, if you have a mobile van or mobile mechanic truck even, or car, it's not a bad option to have. So I just want to share this, guys, with y'all. I was installing it, so I figured I'd make a video and just share my opinion on it, because I thought it was a good deal. So, and good deals deserve credit. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, so this is what they look like lit up at night. That was the front, and this is the back. Pretty happy.